Hello. Thank you so much for taking part in the Care Kit project. These kits will be used by some of the most vulnerable individuals in our community, people that do not have homes. So, the first step is to get a Ziploc bag and open it. Each bag, you will put these items inside, starting with one pair of socks, one set of hand warmers, 2 packages of hand sanitizing wipes, an emergency rain poncho, a Cliff Bar, and a chapstick. Once you have put all the items in the bag, seal it up, put it in the box, and start another kit. That's it.